First, let me start by saying great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people. I am Madeline Gumarak, a faculty of the Entrepreneurship Department of the College of Management, and is currently the Technology Business Incubation Manager of Northern Iloilo State University, the only state university in the Northern Iloilo, Philippines. A pleasant day to everyone. My research focuses on the business incubation practices and challenges of Northern Iloilo State University, aiming to build a strong foundation for startup incubation and livelihood initiative that fosters collaboration and highlights the importance of support system in business incubation. Business incubation has become a vital strategy for promoting entrepreneurship and innovation, particularly within academic institutions such as Northern Iloilo State University. Business incubators are designed to provide essential support services to emerging businesses, including mentorship, access to funding, networking opportunities, and physical infrastructure, which are critical for transforming innovative ideas into successful ventures. As the entrepreneurial landscape evolves, understanding the practices and challenges associated with business incubation is crucial for optimizing these initiatives to meet specific needs of aspiring entrepreneurs. Business indicates that effective incubation programs significantly enhance the success rates of startups by providing a structured environment that fosters innovation and collaboration. However, various challenges can impede the effectiveness of these programs, including limited access to funding, inadequate mentorship, and insufficient networking opportunities. These challenges are particularly relevant in the context of Northern Iloilo State University, or NISU, where local entrepreneurs may face unique barriers to accessing the resources necessary for business development. This study aims to investigate the business incubation practices and challenges faced by NISU, providing a comprehensive analysis that can inform the development of a structured framework for startup incubation. By examining these existing models and identifying best practices, this research will contribute to enhancing the support services available to entrepreneurs in the region. Furthermore, insights gained from this study could be guide for policymakers and educational institutions in creating a more conducive environment for entrepreneurship, ultimately leading to improved livelihood opportunities for the local community. The conceptual framework diagram of the study illustrates the dynamic relationship between the key components of business incubation at Northern Iloilo State University, highlighting how inputs, processes, outputs, and outcomes interact to foster entrepreneurial success. The inputs includes mentorship and support services, physical infrastructure, access to funding, and industry collaboration. These resources are foundational for nurturing startups and are recognized as critical enablers in the incubation process. Processes here refers to the incubation activities such as the training, networking events, mentorship sessions, and policy enhancement programs. These activities operationalize the inputs, providing structured support and development opportunities for incubatees. Outputs are the immediate results of the incubation process, including improved entrepreneurial skills, increased innovation and implementation, higher startup success rates, and elevated student satisfaction. These outputs reflect the effectiveness of the incubation program in meeting its objective. And finally, outcomes represent the long term impact such as sustainable startup ecosystem, improved livelihood opportunities, the stronger university industry linkages, these outcomes demonstrate the broader value of the incubation program for both the university and the local community. The objectives of the study are to identify and describe the current business incubation practices at Northern Iloilo State University, to determine the main challenges faced by incubatees and program managers, to assess the effectiveness of existing support services, including mentorship, funding, and networking, and to propose a structured framework for enhancing startup incubation and livelihood. The study employed a mixed method approach combining qualitative and quantitative research techniques to investigate the business incubation practices and challenges faced by Northern Iloilo State University. The research design consisted of two phases. One, in-depth interview with key stakeholders involved in NISU's incubation program, including incubator managers, faculty advisors, and startup founders to explore their experiences, challenges, and best practices related to the incubation process. And second, a survey administered to a larger sample of startup founders who have participated in the NISO's incubation program, collecting data on various aspects of the incubation experience, such as access to mentorship, funding, networking opportunities, and the perceived impact on business success. Qualitative data was collected through semi-structured interview with a purposive sample of 10 key stakeholders, which was recorded, transcribed, and analyzed using thematic analysis techniques to identify recurring themes and patterns, while quantitative data was gathered through a survey questionnaire developed based on the findings from the qualitative phase and existing literature on business incubation, distributed to all startup founders and BS entrepreneurship students enrolled in the business implementation subject who have participated in the NISO's incubation program since its establishment in 2022, with an expected sample size of 90 respondents. The study was adhered to ethical research guidelines, and the findings from both phases were integrated to provide a comprehensive understanding of NISO's business incubation practices and challenges, with the ultimate goal of informing the development of a structured framework for startup incubation that enhances the support services available to entrepreneurs in the region. The demographic profile of the respondents in this study offers important insights into the characteristics of participants in the business incubation program at Northern Iloilo State University. The sample comprised 100 individuals, predominantly undergraduate and graduate, indicating the program's focus on nurturing young entrepreneurs within an academic environment. The gender distribution revealed a significant majority of female respondents, 70%, suggesting an encouraging trend of female participation in entrepreneurship, which aligns with global movement aimed at empowering women in business. The age distribution showed that 90% of respondents were between 18 to 34 years old, with the majority in the 25 to 34 age range, highlighting the program's appeal to young adults who are often more open to innovative ideas. Additionally, 90% of participants were undergraduate, while 10% were graduates, demonstrating the program relevance across different educational levels. Overall, the demographic profile indicates that NISO incubation program successfully attracts a diverse group of young, predominantly female entrepreneurs, which is crucial for fostering a vibrant startup ecosystem in the region. In this table, it shows the level of business incubation practices. This shows that mentorship and support services stand out as the strongest practice with 75% frequency and a high mean score of 4.25, indicating a positive impact on incubatees as supported by studies emphasizing that mentorship role in startup success on incubatees as supported by studies emphasizing mentorship role in startup success. Physical infrastructure and entrepreneurial competency growth show moderate to high levels of 70% to 65% frequency, with means 3.80 and 3.75, which adequate facilities and skills are critical enablers for new ventures. Access to funding is perceived moderately but on lower side with only 40% frequency and a mean of 2.75, reflecting ongoing challenges in securing financial resources for a startup despite their recognized importance. Industry collaboration scores lowest with 30% frequency and a mean of 2.50, suggesting limited networking or partnership engagement, which some identifies as a barrier to innovation diffusion in incubators. The innovation implementation rate stands at a moderate level of 50% frequency with mean of 3.0, indicating there is room to improve translating ideas into practical outputs. A critical incubator outcome emphasized by scholars like Rottelmer and Thursby. Table 3, the challenges faced by incubatees. This table revealed that limited access to funding is the most significant challenge reported by 60% of respondents with a high mean score of 3.75. This aligns with widespread evidence that financial constraints remain a critical barrier to startup growth and sustainability. Lack of industry connection comes with a moderate to high challenge level of 55% mean of 3.25, reflecting difficulties in establishing vital business networks and partnerships, which are crucial for knowledge exchange and market access. Insufficient networking opportunities are moderately perceived as obstacles with 50% mean and 3 with 50% and mean of 3.0, consistent with research that highlights limited access to broader entrepreneurial ecosystem as a constraint to scaling ventures. Regulatory barriers shows a moderate impact of 40% with a mean of 2.75, indicating that bureaucratic hurdles and compliance requirements still affect incubatees, a challenge corroborated in studies emphasizing the need for supportive regulatory environments. Lastly, inadequate mentorship is rated low with 25% and a mean of 2.25, which may imply mentorship quality or availability, is less of an issue compared to funding and networking challenges, though it remains essential for startup success. Goals of top management: fostering innovation 80% with a mean of 4, enhancing entrepreneurial skills 75% with a mean of 3.75, building industry partnership 60% with a mean of 3.0, increasing funding opportunities 50% with a mean of 3.50, and improving curriculum relevance with a mean of 4.50 with a frequency of 90%, which means top management prioritizes innovation and curriculum relevancy, mirrored in high faculty agreement for curriculum updates. Their moderate success in forging partnership indicates progress, but also room for growth. Table 5, Policy Enhancement Programs. Funding and training session increases are moderate yet positively received, with biannual policy reviews supporting adaptability in the evolving entrepreneurial landscape. High student satisfaction suggests policies are impactful. This study has provided a comprehensive analysis of the business incubation practices and challenges faced by Northern Iloilo State University. The findings indicate that while the incubation program offers significant strength, particularly in mentorship and overall support for startup development, it also faces substantial challenges, including limited access to funding and insufficient networking opportunities. The majority of respondents reported a positive impact from the program on their business development, highlighting its effectiveness in fostering entrepreneurship among young individuals. However, the challenges identified suggest that there is a need for improvement to enhance the overall effectiveness of the incubation program and better support aspiring entrepreneurs in the region. Here are the expected outcomes of the study. First, the identification of best practices and major challenges. Second, recommendations for enhancing funding, mentorship, networking, and infrastructure. Structured framework for startup incubation tailored to Northern Iloilo State University's context. And lastly, policy suggestion for university and local government. Here are the different references used in this study. Lastly, remember that great achievements are made through teamwork and collaborative effort. By addressing the challenges and strengthening the incubation practices, we can empower aspiring entrepreneurs to turn ideas into impactful realities and build a vibrant ecosystem of innovation and growth in Northern Iloilo, proving that in business incubation, the possibilities are endless. God bless us all.